Are any of you freaks kids that shouldn't be playing this game?
Yeah.
Oh, fucking God. Oh my God, bro. Yeah, he said, yeah, bro.
I just started.
Oh, Lenny. This shit is fucking despicable. This is rated M for mature, guys.
My mom said I could play it.
Oh, nah, this is a fake guy. I wouldn't do that too much, bro. I'm on live. They're gonna think you're a predator if you start talking like a kid voice, especially you being on a computer.
What are you
That's
talking
not
about?
good.
My mom bought me
All
this
right,
PC.
all right. Yeah, please stop that out. Cut that out.
Sonny, no. Not Sonny. Fuck. No. Ha 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 ha.
I knew I should have handled this myself. I'll fix it.
I'll fix it. Make sure you lock this back up. Hello, Mr. Nugget. Latch that. Okay, that's on. Let me get some of this blood. I'm being loud as hell already. I don't see anybody. Where would they normally come out? Lock that up. Okay, usually the little shack. Let's see. Let's latch this. I'm gonna break it soon. What up, Grandpa? I don't hear anyone over there. There's the fuse box over here. Breaking all the doors. Just in case. Wait, I'm a fucking idiot. Where's the water pump?
I'll give you that.
Collect the blood, damn it. Oh shit. Already? Am I a fucking idiot? The generator's already off? Holy shit. Oh my god, these people are fucking crazy. Holy fuck.
There you are.
Yep. Oh no. Oh my god, these people were sweaty as hell. Come back, man. Anna's a tank. She can take all that.
Oh my god, I can't stop my
No, man. They all left.
Yeah, we all left our families. Hey, just you know, word of advice for you freaks. One of you guys needs to be cook, so it's not that easy for us. Just future references.
I just started the game.
Yeah, I can tell.
I don't know.
Your ass.
I
This
don't
is
know,
why
man.
this game is
Hey,
not for you.
hey,
You're
it's
too
okay,
young to play
man.
this game.
It's okay.
GG.
Good game. Good game. Man, who you got with the March Madness? This shit. My bracket is totally fucked. We got us some Bubba play here. San Diego State and UAB are playing right now. San Diego State is winning. I don't know how I feel about playing with Bubba. It's not my strong suit, that's for sure. And at Nancy's house. Somebody already left. Hello? Where they at, though? Oh, they're in here. Oh, hello. Oh, they slammed me? How? Where'd she go? Oh, she got slammed, too. Damn, what is that stun duration? There's Connie. She's not even moving. Hey, hey, buddy. Oh, she left. I was wondering. I was like, what the fuck? So when they leave, they don't automatically get taken out? That's weird. Hello? Is anybody over here? I missed. Fucking missed. He went through there. Did I miss him? I think I missed him. I fucked up. Oh, this is open. They're already out. So hard to fucking see everything with this fat motherfucker. Oh, it's just Cook. Gotta feed Grandpa. Here you go, old man. Gotta pat him on his head. Pat, pat. Mmm. Yummy. Oh no, I missed him. Let me destroy that. Hello? I know I've seen somebody over here. Oh, did they turn off the generator? Bro, you can't hear shit with this damn chainsaw. Check out. I have no idea what that dude just said. Oh shit, too early. Oh, they're all the way in the fucking front already. Hello? I was wondering why I couldn't hear shit. Oh, they're fighting someone. You really can't hear shit, man. Oh, there's Leland. It's going down to the well. Just fucking flush the toilet. My God, it's so loud. Just slamming the doors. Uh-oh. Let me get some blood. I can't see shit. Oop, just ran into that. Oh, they're all downstairs still. Should I try to go down there? Show them to me, Grandpa. I can't see shit. Running into shit. Hello? Bro, where are they at? Oh shit. Who escaped? Oh no. We gotta cut her off. Did she get her? Yes, yes, get her, Cook. Oh, he's about to escape. Damn. Damn. Oh well.